Welcome to Share Plant Rentals. In this tutorial, we will be demonstrating how to navigate the My Wallet section in your account's dashboard. Select your profile in the top right. Next, I will demonstrate how to access the wallet in all account types. First up, Buyer. If you are a buyer, select General and then My Wallet. The wallet looks the same on all account types. Now, Owner. If you are an owner, select Profile and then My Wallet. Finally, Advertiser. If you are an advertiser, select Promotions and My Wallet. Your wallet is a place where you can view your past transactions, including your subscription payments. In the top left, you will see where your funds are displayed. Underneath, you can search for transactions that you have made, and then underneath that will be your transactions in a list. To add funds, select the Add Funds to Wallet button in the top right, enter the amount and click Add Funds to Wallet. Select Pay Now, and then complete the transaction with your bank details. Once the transaction is completed, you can click My Wallet and you will be taken back into your wallet where you can see your new balance. When you receive payments, it will be deposited into your wallet first. You can then withdraw it into your bank account. To withdraw your funds, select the Withdraw button, then fill in the amount you would like to take out, and your request will be sent to admin. Once your request has been approved, you will be sent an email. This will explain that you will receive your payment within the next 5 working days. You have now completed your wallet fund management. For more guidance and next steps, please visit our website or YouTube channel.